feel niya siguro, insert sa pag-play ka ng Spotify music yun from the 1930s. Ganun ang feels ng Esmeralda back then. Alright? Okay, these are their coats of arms. Yung coat of arms natin parang is normally just being gifted to mga mestizo Spanish no, province. So yan, meron silang mga ganyan. Yung patriarch and the matriarch is there, yun yung image, yung pati kanilang photos. Don Angel Calvo and Doña Emiliana Montera. So, some triggers about this building also. Meron actually museum dito. Although we're not gonna visit it anymore kasi due to lack of time. They have a bottle, parang vintage museum featuring old bottles and old newspapers. So, ang concept niya, I don't know kung na-encounter niyo pa yung concept ko ng botejaryo. Yung nakakala ng botejaryo, yung parang parang mga scavengers, di ba? Yun, so nangangalakal. So that's the concept also of the museum upstairs. Parang old bottles and old newspapers, botejaryo. So, we're just gonna visit one of these days. Upstairs pala, there's an art gallery, also it's closed today. So, meron din mga activations happening. So, so there's a museum, na closing floor. On the second floor, there's an art gallery. The art gallery is home to the former president of and then yung cafe beside it
Pwedeng pumasok. May entrance. May ano daw sa taas eh, may parang museum. Pwedeng pumasok. Antik na oh. Ayun daw, ayun, 8 daw, 8 p.m. 8 Anong araw?
Sige nga, makapong.
Alin po?
Ma-open dito.
Ang Calvo Museum po natin every Saturday po siya 9 to 4 p.m.
4 p.m.?
Hanggang 4 p.m. yes. Last time pumunta ako dyan May 16. Ganun din sagot niya sa akin.
Ang
Sir Serrado
morning,
na.
ang morning, ano oras? Pag morning, ano oras?
9 to 4 p.m. po siya.
Thank you. Saturday.
Saturday.
Thank you. May entrance fee?
100 po.
So babalik kami dito ni
Next time
Sherwin.
ulit.
Sherwin, magbablog tayo dito ah. Lowback na ako eh.
Pero syempre, ano ginawa natin dun sa Palangay? So, another experience. Hindi natin experience lahat. Something goes up, or classical, something unforgettable naman. So, these two comprise what I would say the stories. Again, remember the first one, in contrast with the second one, nagbibigan. Mahina, nagbibigan. Pero, meron pang other buildings I would like to highlight. Of course, this building right here. This building dates back from the year 1919. Sobrang parang bare lang siya, parang ordinary building, but it's actually among the four years, o pati nakamaganda. Since 1919, na made this brick building. Did you know na among the many years in Esmeralda, diba, yung shooting present sa naman ng first builders, this celebration something first, the first elevator in the Philippines. Used to be situated here. I say used to be kasi there was damage during World War II, tapos nasira na hindi na ayos ulit. Pero we have a bragging rights na nakalagay dun sa entrance here on this side, nakalagay. Next. That in terms of services. So at least sa mga artista naman na mention ko, ito lang offers a building called the First United Building. Maganda yung picture nila. The 1920. So it's a building art style. So it's one of the nicest buildings inside. Particularly, in 1928, there was a competition among the most beautiful buildings in Laguna. This order was mag-good picture tayo na water. Basically, ito yung pinaka-last na part ng walkthrough natin. Ang pinaka-last lang ng nakikita natin is sa pasok ng water. So, what we should realize sa kanila?
Sana all, patulog-tulog lang yan. Hello. Hello, Mingming. LRT Carriedo. Ayan. Yan, anong history niyang building na yan? 19 ano yan? Ikaw ang muna ang tour guide ko. Ah, department store.
Mga dati di ba may Plaza Fair, Fairmart,
Ano yung Plaza Fair?
Fairmart, mga pami-ami.
Ay, nakakatakot tumawid, B. Sana yung tindahan ni Neneng B dito? Oh, saan na banda?
Crazy ka na restaurant siya.
Oh. Nadala ko na dito yung ano, magkano yung mabayaran ko sa'yo, share?
Ano eh?
Sa taxi.
Bali ako na lang.
Pag 100 tayo. So yeah, video-video na naman si Mami Shi. Ako tuloy ang makakatikim nung ano.
Akin iuwi ko yan.
Ayan o, bumili siya nito pero ako, ay, ito na, para wala na akong babayaran sa'yo. O, yan
Wala
na.
ka na.
Oo, sige na. Next time na lang ulit ako titikim niyan.
Baka na bumili.
Pag sabihin mo sa akin, pag masarap pa. O, magkasabay ba tayo na sa ano?
Yes. Kaya lang magkaibang train.
Okay. Sakay tayo ng LRT. Ang hirap pala nung ano, pagod ka na, tapos
Ano, may abuli pa din.
gagala ka pa.
Abuli ng dalawa? Oo.
Hindi na kaya.
Bigay mo. Next, ano ka pa?